What's up guys, RussLyman here and welcome to the Super Mario Kart build. I've had this car many years and put a lot of love and effort into making this car awesome. This is a short video condensed down of all the things that I've done to the car so you can see how much work went into it. Before we get into the video though, here's a 30-second backstory on the car. I bought the car brand new in 2006 and it stayed stock for a few years till I added Mario throwing a fireball down the side. This started the Mario theme. A few years passed and it was time to step up my game. I got a new body kit and painted the car with tintable and chalkboard paint to match the NES system. This was the base for version 2.0. Artist friend Tom Ryan helped with the graphics and the car was really standing out. The car was only in this mode for a few months when tragedy struck while on the highway, hitting a patch of ice and totaling the car. It was a big loss, but luckily I wasn't hurt. I knew I wanted to continue on with the theme and I still really enjoyed the Scion car, so I was on the hunt for another Scion XA. And guys, without further ado, here's the M-Kart build. Alright guys, we're at another dealership here. I got a red, it's salsa red, 2005 Scion XA. Alright guys, we just got to the beach. The car's all dry for now, looking pretty awesome with the black and red. Okay, what I got here is a copy basically of the stock bumper here that I made. Fits on there like that, so then I can transfer it to fit in here. And then this will go onto my bumper here, we'll fiberglass that so then it's a better fitment. Alright, cleaned up most of the bumper here. This part's pretty much even, so that's good. Yeah, a little bit on the bottom here. We'll fix that up, but it's pretty strong. Let's get to it. In the summer, when Also guys, I was driving home the other day and my freaking exhaust broke. The pipe that goes from the catalytic converter to the muffler broke right where it meets the muffler. So now my exhaust sounds so loud. Check it out. Alright guys, we just got to Meineke, my buddy. Rocker is going to hook me up with the exhaust because we have to weld and I don't have a welder, so it's going to be a lot easier if I let him do it. So we got the professionals taking care of this one. So this is a company called Clasio who makes custom seat covers for limited brands. They happen to make them for Scion and I've used them in the past and they're fantastic. So we're going to put these ones on. Okay, I got the driver's seat nice and tight. You can see how well it fits, but here there's all this bagginess in the passenger seat, so we have to tighten it up. There's a piece that goes through here and I have to pull it from the back and kind of massage it. So it's a lot of effort to get it to go, but once it's fit, look at that tight fitment. It's great. Let's get to it. So this is a custom mid-wing that I had on the original M Kart, but I have to adapt it to this one here. So we're going to be doing some fiberglass work to get it to fit custom on this car. Alright guys, so basically what we did, I made these little templates that are going to fit in here, and I have some screws on the back, and I put some bolts here, this way it won't ever loosen, and then they're going to insert into the car basically like that, and I have to attach this piece to the other part of the mid-wing, and that's how we'll attach it. So we're going to be painting my car today with chalkboard paint. I'm going to take you through the steps on how to do it, and it's a pretty cost-effective way to change the color of your car. now that we're finished painting the car with the chalkboard paint, we're gonna add a new headliner to the car. And this is one of my most successful videos on YouTube. That's the full form video showing how to replace your headliner. Guys, there's the decal. So I picked up my decals locally at Scion in Orange. The staff there was really nice. I was actually already in the system. They're like, why do I have you in here as Saturday matinee? Well, many years ago I went there to get some decals when I was in a band, so hey, full circle. So here it is. My buddy Tom Ryan designed it. Hopefully we can get this on with no creases. Should be pretty easy because it's just flat right on the door. Alright guys, we got it on. That was definitely painstaking. I didn't get too many wrinkles. I'll show you the few that I did get, and it was mostly on the checkerboard stuff just because of all those curves. The Mario and Luigi was just straight flat. There's a couple maybe on Luigi, but overall looks pretty good. So one thing I didn't show, if you go inside the car here, and I have a little button down here. You press that button, that turns on the Super Nintendo that's in the back. We got Mario Kart, so let's go in the back and you can play it. There we go. We got two screens set up right here, so you can play some Mario Kart. So you can see my amplifier is a thwomp right here that I decorated. We got our little controller holders, and we got, of course, our plumbing that we need, so a wrench and a plunger. My wart pipe sub box is pretty cool. And again, I got another speaker and controller holder over here with Super Mario Kart. So in case if anyone asks me why I have TVs in the back of the car, it's because at car shows we sit back here and play Mario Kart while people are checking out the car. Alright, let's get back to the build. So inside currently I have my NRG custom steering wheel that's a see-through, and we do have our quick disconnect that's set up right here, so we actually take our wheel completely off just like that. So I'm thinking we can take this piece right here and somehow mount the steering wheel to it, so then we can put this right here and we're ready to go. So let's try it out. Okay guys, we're on the workbench and I have my NRG quick release piece right here, so we're gonna get this out of the box. It's assembled, so let's take it to the car and see if it works. Alright, we got the Wii wheel right here ready to go. Let's give it a test run. All right, it's going. Get in the second gear. We're just gonna go around the block. There's not much traffic on my road here, so we'll see how this performs. Obviously, making turns is ridiculous because it's so small. Well guys, that was the full video of the M-Kart build. Of course, you're never done modding a car. There's always more things you can do to it. We just got it back on the road. It was having issues. Luckily, David's dad, Jim, helped me figure it out, and Tony, who actually used to work on the car when I brought the car to Toyota for my oil changes. So their powers combined. But we got it all back together! Yeah! Fix the M-Kart, and it's ready to get back on the road for shows, video game conventions, car shows, and all that fun stuff. So be sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new videos of me working on the M-Kart car. If you guys enjoyed this video here, check out the Subaru video here when I got my new Subaru and I put a bunch of mods into that one. It's more of a family-friendly car, but it's still a fun build. As always guys, I'm RussLyman, and keep your world fun bit by bit. I'll see you next video.